Good morning this Wednesday, the 16th of April. I'm Grady Wolfe, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed modestly lower on Tuesday as investors shifted from focus on tariffs to the first quarter earnings results focus. The Dow Jones lost 0.38%, the S&P 500 fell 0.17%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day down 0.05%. Bank of America shares rose 3.6% yesterday after exceeding analysts' expectations for Q1 results, while United Airlines and Netflix are expected to release results later this week. Boeing shares fell more than 2% on Tuesday, though, on reports that Beijing ordered Chinese airlines not to take any more of the company's planes, which is a watch and wait situation now. In Europe overnight, markets in the region rose amid investor optimism of further tariff exemptions to come from the White House. The STOXX 600 rose 1.6%, Germany's DAX added 1.3%, the French CAC gained 0.9%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 1.5%. Across the Asia region on Tuesday, markets mostly rose in the region as a tech rally boosted investor sentiment. Japan's Nikkei rose 0.84%, South Korea's Kospi index gained 0.88%, India's Nifty 50 rose 2.18%, and Hong Kong's Seng ended the day up 0.23%. The local market rallied for a second session on Tuesday with a gain of 0.17% after a day of relative calm, with minimal news on the tariff front out of the White House, which was very welcomed by investors. Investors increasingly sought out defensive stocks on Tuesday, though, with CSL and CBA rising 2.56% and 0.87% respectively. The high-growth tech sector came under pressure on Tuesday, though, despite strength on the Nasdaq on Monday and Trump's exemption of key tech tariffs. KFC of Australia operator Collins Food Group fell over 7.7% on Tuesday after announcing the results of a strategic review, including the company exiting its Taco Bell operations in Australia and further expansion of KFC into Germany. Accent Group, on the other hand, rallied over 4.5% after announcing it will launch and operate leading global sports retailing business, Sports Direct to Australia and New Zealand. The leading Australian retailer also announced a long-term strategic relationship with Frasers Group, a global retailer of sports, premium and luxury brands based in London, with Frasers also increasing its stake in Accent Group to 19.57%. This morning, the Australian dollar has further strengthened against the greenback to buy 63.48 US cents, 90.82 Japanese yen, 48.08 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 8 cents. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.33% lower at $61.32 a barrel. Gold is up 0.5% at $3,227 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.13% at $100.08 a tonne. Ahead of midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX will open the day down just 0.04%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has downgraded the rating on Evolution Mining from a buy to a hold and have raised the 12-month price target on the gold and copper miner from $7.89 to $8.10 following the release of the company's March quarter report, which came in as strong as Bell Potter was expecting. The downgrade to a hold simply follows recent share price appreciation. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Universal Stores following the formation of a pattern over a period of 38 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $7.46 to the range of $10.10 to $10.70, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.